Welcome guys to another Unreal Engine tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to spawn particles when the characters fall. Okay, let's get started. So down, you right click, event, on movement mode changed, new movement mode, go equal enumerator, and then over here we want to set that to falling. Good. And then out of here, spawn actor, spawn actor, oh no, spawn emitter attached, and then we want to also get a branch, take that out of there, put that in there, and then put that in there, put the numerator into the branch, and then if you are falling, then spawn the emitter. The emitter can be smoke. Yeah, let's do smoke or fire or whatever you guys want to do. Attach to component. I think we just get a capsule component. There we go. Attach point name. That's it. Yeah, that's it. Disable auto destroy. And then we want to promote the return value to a variable. Let's call this smoke. And then let's drag it out. Right click, convert to validated get. And out of false, plug it into there. And then is valid. Destroy actor with the target being smoke. Oh wait, no. Destroy. Where is destroy? I think it's destroy component. There, that should work. Okay, now once we destroyed the component, then we can set our smoke variable just like that. Okay, let me go over this. When you're falling, if you are falling, then spawn smoke, attach it to the capsule component, and when you're not falling, set it to not be valid, destroy it, and set smoke to whatever the output is. Don't think I have to plug that in. If I have to, then I'll check later. Okay, perfect, it works. So now, as you can see, when we're falling, we are spawning smoke. Let's try that again, but with fire. Not explosion, fire. There we go. Okay, that's cool. Perfect. Now that's the end of today's tutorial. I have other videos. I have more Unreal Engine tutorials, a lot of them, and cryptocurrency videos. And I'm planning to make different kinds of videos in the future if you guys want to see them. So just stay tuned.